ASP.NET Core is Microsoft's next-generation, open-source and cross-platform framework. It's designed from the ground up to be fast, flexible, modern, and work across different platforms. This course will cover the fundamentals of what you need to know to start building your first ASP.NET Core application with the MVC framework. ASP.NET Core is built from the ground up and provides an optimized development framework for apps that are either run on-premises or deployed to the cloud. This ASP.NET Core MVC training course is perfect for .NET developers who are new to the MVC design pattern or want to explore the ever-evolving Microsoft web development stack. At the end of ASP.NET Core MVC training course, you will be able to gain insights to the fundamentals and concepts of ASP.NET Core MVC. Acquire sufficient knowledge on role of model, view and controller and integrating them to develop complete web application. Learn Razor syntax. Building custom model binders and model validation. Dependency injection into controllers. Client-side development using Gulp, Grunt, and Bower. Testing controllers. Working with multiple environments. Implement security in ASP.NET MVC applications. ASP.NET Core MVC is one of the most popular assets for software development industry. Knowing ASP.NET Core MVC can get you a nice job with a decent salary, or if you are already working, you may get a good raise in salary. Join in. As for learning ASP.NET Core MVC, this course is the authority, and equally important, you will get a certification of completion that validates your skills. Feel forward to have a look at course description and demo videos, and we look forward to see you inside.